This is Sai Fernandra from SQL School. I assure you end-to-end complete real-time practice-oriented concepts from scratch. Right from the basics of what is Azure, we are going to start. Right from the basics of what is Azure, what is data engineering, what are the components we need to learn, what is database, what is warehouse, what is ETL. From scratch, we are going to get it from very day one. In our classes, we'll be learning the end-to-end implementation model step by step. We have something called data sources, operational data sources and file systems. Operational data would be usually structured data, and file would be usually unstructured data. Usually we are going to learn various data sources, gather data using something called ETL techniques, proceed for data warehouse concepts, and give it to analytics, data science, etc. So the green color items are our actual data engineering course. Right from the left side, green arrow marks to ETL, data warehouse to store historical data, to connections to reporting, Power BI or other analytical tools. To make it more simplified and colorful on my screen, our actual course now. In our Azure Data Engineering course, a 7 weeks journey for the classes plus a project work. Project either you try to do or I shall provide you the solution with complete explanation. During the course or after the course or start of the course, based on your interview preparations, whenever you want, you can get the project solution and refer to it multiple times for better comfort. We are going to start from the scratch with data sources, various ETL techniques, extract, transform, load techniques, and finally park the data in something called warehouse. We have something called Spark database to park your data, and something else called data lake and Synapse SQL pool. The 7 weeks data engineering A. If we are looking for analytics, B, Power BI, a separate 4 weeks journey with 6 design tools, 2 hosting environments, plus 2 great technologies called Power Query and DAX. 6 design tools plus 2 technologies plus 2 hosting solutions is equal to Power BI, complete ecosystem. So 4 weeks journey separately. Make sure you step into SQL first. Basics should be fine on SQL. Microsoft SQL, basics should be fine to step into our course data engineering. If someone is very new to database, prefer to start with 1, then go for 5. 1,5. You're already aware of Microsoft SQL concepts. You can right away step into 5, directly 5, Azure Data Engineering. If someone is looking for experience, they may opt for 5 and 6 combo. Reason: back-end, front-end. Back-end black box data engineering, front-end Power BI the brown box. To make it more clear, in our classes, we'll be having something called data factory, data lake, data bricks, PySpark, Python with Spark. We'll take Python from scratch, whatever is required for data engineering activities from scratch. Synapse and something called role-based access controls, Azure Purview, logic apps, and big data activities. Detailed content on our website, just in case to make it more clear here. We are going to learn from fundamentals to warehouse, what, why, how, when. I understand lot of components you see on the screen. So as a data engineer, we are responsible for something called data warehouse design. We are responsible for something called ETL, Azure ETL, extract, transform, and load. As a data engineer, we are responsible for big data analytics, big data storage, all backend activities we need to take care. Front end Power BI, combo 5 and 6, there is a certification from Microsoft DP500. Azure Data Engineering DP203 certification content, complete guidance part of our course curriculum. Power BI, a separate 4 weeks journey, PL300 guidance part of our course curriculum, wherein we have something called Power Query, 50 examples, DAX, 50 examples, Cloud, 50 examples. That's our number game, or the number target we have. Same way data engineer also, we do have good amount of numbers for examples in every aspect, every component. And after this 7 weeks data engineering, additional time you invest on project work or Power BI in case you are planning for additional 4 weeks, additionally one project work. Attendees who are planning for interview preparation, they may request for the solutions upfront, or you may do it later. It's up to you. As per your comfort, during or after the course, you can work on the project. In our 7 weeks data engineering, we are going to work on 4 important departments: data factory and its successor, Synapse Analytics department, components, Databricks with Spark and PySpark components, data lake called ADLS, Azure Data Lake Storage, and stream analytics with complete end-to-end implementation workflow. We'll be taking it in our classes. Detailed curriculum already there on our website. I request you to go through it carefully, or you may reach me directly for clarifications, questions if any, through LinkedIn or my number. Glad to assist you.